Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to view notability notes on Windows. So make sure to watch till the end and don't skip any of the videos. So let's move right into it. First of all, simply open the browser. What do you use? I use Google Chrome, as you can see, or you can use Brave browser. Then, since notability is not only available on iPad and Mac, you can't install or edit notes on Windows, but you can view your notability notes easily using iCloud.com. First of all, simply log into your iCloud.com and sign in with using your Apple account. Then open notability on your iPad or iPhone. Tap the gear icon setting in the bottom left. Tap iCloud, enable iCloud thing. In PC, after you have logged into your iCloud.com and you have signed into your Apple account, then you can access your notes. After logging in, click on iCloud Drive. You will find the iCloud Drive after you have signed in iCloud. Then open the notability folder. You will see your notes saved as either notes file or into PDF. Step 4 is to view PDF notes on Windows. If notes are in PDF format, simply click and open them in any browser. You can use in any browser. You can open and see the PDF. You can use PDF reader like Adobe Acrobat. If notes are in note format, you can't open them on Windows directly. You will need to export them as PDF. Enable auto backup for easier access on your iPad or iPhone. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.